Before buying a car battery tester, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But real buyers are definitely talking about it. Most testers look the same on paper, same CCA range, same LCD screen. But the real difference is in how they actually perform when your battery is about to die. Product number 1, ANCELBA 101. Let's start with the ANCELBA 101. This red compact tester caught my eye because it supports a huge range of vehicles, from cars and trucks to boats and RVs, and handles flooded AGM, gel, and EFB batteries. At $44.46, it's mid-range. But what stands out is its 99.6% accuracy claim and global standard compliance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The intelligent chip and high-conductivity copper clamps give you fast, precise readings on battery health, cranking power, and charging system performance. The large LCD with adjustable backlight makes it easy to read in any lighting, and it works in multiple languages, handy if English isn't your first language. With over 5,000 units sold last month, it's clearly trusted by DIYers and small shops alike. It even warns you if you input the wrong CCA or AH value, which can throw off results. Now, some people complained about inaccurate readings when testing batteries below 30 Ah or lithium types. This unit isn't built for those. Also, if you're not careful with the settings, like selecting the wrong battery standard, you might get misleading data. Here's the thing though, as long as you follow the manual and double-check your battery specs, those issues are avoidable. It's not a flaw in the tool, it's a user input problem. This is perfect for you if you drive multiple vehicle types or work on older cars and RVs. Skip this one if you're testing lithium or 6V24V systems regularly. For the price, it delivers solid value with professional-grade accuracy. Product number 2, TOPDON BT100. Now, if the ANCELBA 101's lack of advanced diagnostics bothered you, the TOPDON BT100 takes a more feature-rich approach. Priced at $76.22, it's definitely on the higher end, but it offers state of health, state of charge, voltage, current, and detailed cranking analysis, all displayed through an intuitive menu. If you want deeper insights than just good or bad, this one steps up. What makes this stand out is the 3-color LED system, green for good, yellow for caution, red for replace, so you get an instant visual cue without squinting at numbers. The passive testing design means it only powers on when connected, saving battery life and reducing risk. Plus, the spark-proof reverse polarity clamps add a layer of safety that's often overlooked. It tests everything from motorcycles to yachts, making it great for multi-vehicle households or small garages. That said, a few buyers mentioned the interface can feel a bit clunky if you're used to simpler tools, and the menu navigation isn't as smooth as it could be. Also, while it claims wide compatibility, some older European models had inconsistent readings. Here's the thing though, for most standard 12V systems, it's rock solid. The learning curve is worth it if you're doing frequent checks. This is perfect for you if you run a home garage or manage a fleet of vehicles. Skip this one if you only test a car once a year and want something dead simple. It's pricey, but the depth of data justifies the cost for active users. Product number 3, KONNWEI KW208. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for budget-conscious buyers. The KONNWEI KW208 at just $38.05. Don't let the low price fool you. It boasts over 99.7% accuracy, supports 8 languages, and tests alternator and starter performance too. The galvanized alloy clips are a big upgrade. They're more durable and provide better contact, which directly improves testing precision. It works on and off the vehicle, even with dead batteries, and gives you voltage, internal resistance, CCA, and AH capacity in seconds. The AI chip processes data fast, and the plug-and-play design means no setup, just clip and go. It's small enough to live in your glove box, ready for emergencies. Now the downside. The screen is smaller and lacks a backlight, so reading results in dim light can be tricky. Also, while it supports many languages, the translation quality in some isn't perfect, minor, but noticeable. Some users also wished for a print function like higher-end models. Here's the thing though, for under $40, you're getting 90% of the performance of testers twice the price. Those trade-offs are totally reasonable. This is perfect for you if you're a weekend mechanic or want a backup tester in your car. Skip this one if you work in total darkness or need printed reports. For the price, it's an absolute steal. Product number 4, MOTOPOWER MP514A. Now, if you're looking for the most affordable entry point, the MOTOPOWER MP514A comes in at just $20.32. It's basic, no fancy diagnostics, no alternator deep dive, but it does one thing extremely well. Tells you if your battery is alive and if your alternator is charging. If you want a no-frills, reliable check before a road trip, this gets the job done. The 4-digit LCD display gives voltage readings accurate to 0.01 volts, and the 8 colored LEDs instantly show battery and alternator status, green for good, red for trouble. It has reverse polarity and overvoltage protection, so even if you mess up the connection, your car and the tester are safe. The 50 cm cable and rubberized grip make it comfortable to use, and at just 150 grams it disappears in your trunk. The flaw, it doesn't test cranking amps or internal resistance, so you won't know if your battery is weak before it fails. It's also not built for professional use, it's purely a go-no-go tool. Some users expected more features at this price, but that's missing the point. Here's the thing though, for occasional checks, it's more than enough. You're not paying for extras you won't use. This is perfect for you if you just want to verify your battery before a long drive. Skip this one if you need detailed diagnostics or work on multiple vehicles. It's cheap, tough, and does exactly what it promises. Product number 5, ANCEL AD410 Pro. Finally, if you want one tool that does it all, the ANCEL AD410 Pro is a 2-in-1 OBD2 scanner and battery tester for $76.21. It reads engine codes, runs EVAP tests, shows live data, and still performs full battery, cranking, and charging system analysis. With 900 plus sold last month, it's a favorite among DIYers who hate juggling multiple devices. If you want to diagnose your check engine light and test your battery in one go, this is the ultimate multitasker. The 2.4-inch HD screen displays clear codes with plain English descriptions. No more guessing what P420 means. It supports 10 languages, works on 99% of gas and diesel cars from 1996 onward, and even helps you pass smog tests with IM readiness checks. The battery tester uses waveform analysis to spot alternator diode issues and predicts battery failure up to 6 months early. That kind of foresight can save you from being stranded. And this is a big but, it doesn't support ABS, airbag, or EV systems. Some users were frustrated when they realized it couldn't scan their hybrid or diagnose brake issues. Also, while the interface is user-friendly, first-time OBD2 users might feel overwhelmed by the amount of data. Here's the thing though, if you stick to engine and battery diagnostics, it's unbeatable. Just know its limits. This is perfect for you if you want one tool for both engine and battery health. Skip this one if you drive an electric vehicle or need advanced system scans. It's a powerhouse for the price. So which one should you pick? The MOTOPOWER MP514A is great if you just want a cheap, simple check. The KONNWEI KW208 gives you the best bang for your buck under $40. The ANCEL BA101 is reliable for multi-vehicle owners. The TOPDON BT100 offers deeper insights for pros. And the ANCEL AD410 Pro. Choose based on how deep you need to go and how much you're willing to spend.